we have something like this. Our audio mislinked.
Yes, our audio linked with the wrong audio. Whoever that have this problem, we understand the situation of things and understand what we are about to solve right now. I remain THEO Ezenwa. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Right now, let's solve this problem. Watch throughout the video.
One, here is my project file. Alright, this is the project file for better for war. This job was shot in 5 days. So in 5 days, we have cam 1, cam 2, audios and all that. Now let's go to the project. Now this is the video. So whenever you have this issue, the first thing you should think about is finding out the day the clip was shot, the day this video was shot. For example, this video was shot, how do we know? By right clicking here, go to reveal in project or reveal in explorer. Okay, let's reveal in explorer. Now when I reveal in explorer fast, this video is now telling me that this thing was shot on day 2, cam 2, private, the whatever. This is what we have here. Then now I know it's shot on day 2. Then that means the same audio should be also recorded on day 2. So we have to look for the audio now. What we have to do is to make this offline, make it offline. When you make it offline, to ask you media option, media file remains on disk. Say yes, this is what we want. You said okay. When you say okay, this video becomes offline, this audio becomes offline. Then you go to link the media back. When you go to media back, it will show you this. Now look at this file name, zoom 39. Okay, zoom 39 part where the file is. Now it's telling us that this part is in better for worse day 1, while the video was shot in day 2. Then that means this audio went and linked with a video with another audio which has the same name in day 1. That means there is another audio that is answering zoom 39 in day 1 that the thing went and link on, thinking that is the same file. So how do we solve this? We now have to go to location. As you can see, this is on day 1. What we are doing here is on day 1. Say no, the audio is in day 2 because the video was shot on day 2, which is very sure of us. We now go to audio AD1, depending on what you name your folder with. So I named mine with AD audio day 2. Then I open it. When I open it, it's still telling us audio day 2, that's 39. Then I'll go to folder 1. That's where my audio. Then zoom. This zoom 1, zoom 2, zoom 3, zoom 4. Then what we are looking for is zoom 39. Then I will run to zoom 39. Where is zoom 39? Zoom 39, zoom 39, zoom 39. Here is zoom 39. Make sure you have this checked. Make sure you have it checked. So zoom 39. When we go to zoom 39, fine, this is zoom 39. You open zoom 39. Because we have this checked, it will identify itself, knowing that this is what we are looking for. Then you click it. When you click it, the thing connects easily. That's it.
Alright, I believe and I strongly believe that this video solved your problem. Please don't forget to share, like, comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed. More goodies coming your way. Thank you and God bless you.